Alright, in this video we are required to write each decimal or fraction as a percent. So let's start with this. This A part, this is in decimal, so we want to write it in percent. Writing it in percent implies that the denominator has to be 100. So that will now determine how many times you are going to be moving the decimal. So for us to have the denominator to be 100, we have to move the decimal point twice to the right. So 0.65, we move this 1, 2. That will give us what? 65, right? Times what? 10 raised to power minus 2 from the law of indices. Because from standard form, when you move a decimal point towards the right, it will carry a negative power, and when you move it towards the left, it will carry a positive power. So from law of indices, if you have 10 raised to power minus 2, is the same thing as 1 over 10 raised to power 2. So that's just a kind of a recall. So if we plug this in, this one can be written as 65 times 1 over 10 raised to power 2. That will give us 65 over 10 raised to power 2, that is 100. So we've been able to achieve a denominator which is 100. So this one can be written as 65%. So what we are trying to say now is 65% is the same thing as 0.65, owing to the fact that the denominator is 100. Then for B, we have 3 over 16. So we want to take it to what? To percent. So the first thing is to first express 3 over 16 in decimal. And 3 divided by 16 in decimal gives us 0.1875. 0.1875. So like I did here, for me to convert this to percent, I have to move this decimal point twice. So in this case, I want to move the decimal point from where it is here. I move it 1, 2. So the decimal point is in new position. So this will return, 18.75. I move it to the right, it will carry a negative power, times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. And that will give us 18.75, right, times 1 over 10 raised to power 2, which is 18.75, right, divided by 100. So 18.75 divided by 100 is the same thing as 18.75 percent. All right, that is the answer to that particular question. I believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. Thank you.